Hello, in this video, we'll learn how you can set up a e-commerce catalog in your WhatsApp. So what is e-commerce catalog on WhatsApp? So when you are setting up a e-commerce catalog on your WhatsApp, people can buy your product on WhatsApp without any hassle and seamless integration with payment system. Like when here people come our WhatsApp and go to the catalog, people can add this product in his cart and he can place order. So when customer click on the order confirmation button, he will redirect a new page, and here it need to send his name, phone number and address. So I set my phone address, and after clicking the process order, here he need to pay with cash on delivery, Bcash payment, PayPal, Stripe. How you can set up a e-commerce catalog on your WhatsApp? So first you need to go your business manager. So here I go to my business manager. Then you need to click on the all tools section. Here you can see a commerce commerce manager. After going the commerce manager, you need to create a catalog. Click on the create, continue. You need to set up the name. Then next, next, and you can select a data feed. If you have a website, then you can seamless integrate to your website. So when you create a new product, it will automatically fetch your product. So I use manual and then skip. In item list, I will create a new product. Here click on the create, manual, next. Let me create a new product. Then you need to click on the upload item. So here you can see that my product is connected. Now I need to set up this commerce to my WhatsApp. Next, I need to click on the all tool. I need to go business settings, WhatsApp account. In your WhatsApp section, you need to select your WhatsApp. Then you need to go WhatsApp manager, catalog, choose catalog. You need to select your catalog, then connect catalog. After that, you can use this section to show off your shop icon on your WhatsApp. Then I need to go my WhatsApp dashboard. In the connect account section, I need to synchronize this. In synchronize, after the completing synchronize, I need to go e-commerce catalog. Here I can see the all of the catalog here. I need to click on the resynchronize. After that, if I click the product, I can see that product is already here. Then I can set a message for checkout URL, checkout success, order update, card reminder, etc. And I can select a payment settings. I can set up a lot of payment method like cash on delivery, phone pay, WhatsApp pay, and PayPal, Stripe, etc. And here you can set up a card setting that if you want to add tax and shipping charge, then you can set up here. Now people can order product from your WhatsApp. Thank you for being with us. Have a good day. Bye.